You might think you need a fortune, a massive inheritance, or some kind of secret Wall Street connection to even begin thinking about investing. Do you believe that the world of finance is only accessible to a select few, leaving everyone else on the sidelines? Well, not anymore. The game has changed, and the barriers to entry have been shattered. In 2025, the doors to Wall Street are wide open, inviting anyone with the desire to learn and grow their wealth. The old gatekeepers are gone, replaced by a new era of accessibility and opportunity. If you've got $100, that single bill in your hand, you're already in the game. You possess the key to unlock your financial potential. That's your ticket, your starting point. To begin building your future, brick by brick, investment by investment, it's the foundation upon which you can construct a secure and prosperous tomorrow.
Your money's working while you do less. Stay lazy, let your money do the rest. The Lazy Investor.
I'm Paul Cox, the Lazy Investor. Today, I'm going deeper into the topic of investing and, more importantly, why you need to get started immediately and how you can get started with as little as $100 or even less. Don't let anyone tell you it's not enough, that you need more to get started. Ignore the naysayers and the doubters. Success isn't about how much you start with. It's not about the size of your initial investment. It's about your willingness to learn, to adapt, to absorb knowledge, and to take action, to put that knowledge into practice. It's about consistent effort and a commitment to growth. That $100 is your seed money, the small beginning that can blossom into something extraordinary. It's your first step, your initial stride toward financial freedom, toward a future where money works for you, not the other way around. We're not talking about any get-rich-quick schemes, those empty promises that lead to disappointment and loss. This is about making smart, calculated moves that let your money work for you, generating passive income and building long-term wealth through the power of compounding. There's nothing quick about it. Building wealth takes time, and that's why you need to get started right now. The best time to start is yesterday. The second best time to start is now. When you invest, when you make that conscious decision to allocate your capital, you own a piece of real companies, real ideas, real innovations that are shaping the world all around us. With just $100, you can buy into the world's biggest businesses, the giants of industry, and participate in their success. Forget the myth that investing is only for the rich, for the elite, for those born with a silver spoon. Today, right now, the investment world is open to everybody, including you. Are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? Are you prepared to steer your own ship and chart a course toward a brighter future? I'm about to show you how to turn that $100 into a real diversified portfolio, a collection of assets that can grow and generate wealth over time. We'll cover stocks, the building blocks of the market, crypto, the digital frontier of finance, real estate, precious metals, and more, exploring various avenues for investment and wealth creation. If you are interested in diversified investing, learning more about crypto and real estate, if you want to invest in tangible assets that will grow your wealth, if you are an entrepreneur, or if you want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to put your money to work for you, if you want to retire early, if you want to be financially free, then the Lazy Investor is the channel for you. Here, you'll find no BS, no jargon, no complicated terminology, just real talk, straightforward explanations, and actionable advice. So, click it, ring the ding-dong, and like it. This is your moment, your opportunity to seize control and begin your journey toward financial independence. The market is waiting, eager to reward those who are willing to learn and take calculated risks. Take a quick moment to subscribe. I built this channel for you. I want to show you how to be a millionaire before you retire. This channel is not only about you, but about the future you. Your future self, the you that you will become in 5, 10, or 20 years, that you will thank you for starting now, for taking that first step toward a better tomorrow. Let's put that money to work. Let's make it grow. Let's turn it into something bigger and better. No more excuses, no BS, no more procrastination, no more waiting for the perfect moment. Booyah! Let's do this. What is investing? What does it really mean? At its heart, investing is about putting your money to work so it can make even more money for you down the road. It's a fundamental concept, and it's surprisingly simple to grasp. Think of it as planting a seed that grows into a tree, providing shade and bearing fruit for years to come. Investing is your money making more money. It's really as simple as that. When you work, you trade your precious time for cash. You dedicate hours of your day, your energy, and your skills to earn a salary or hourly wage. This is the traditional way most people generate income, and it's essential for covering day-to-day expenses. But investing flips the script entirely. It offers an advantage. It gives you a pathway to wealth creation, one that doesn't solely rely on your direct labor. You strategically put your money into assets, things like stocks, bonds, real estate, or even promising startups that have the potential to grow in value over time. These assets then work on your behalf, generating returns while you focus on other aspects of your life. That's how you beat inflation, which erodes the purchasing power of your money over time. And it's how you can build lasting wealth for yourself and your future generations. Investing allows you to stay ahead of the curve and secure your financial well-being. When you invest in the stock market, you essentially buy a piece of a company, becoming a shareholder and part owner. And as that company innovates, expands, and becomes more profitable, so does your investment. The value of your shares increases, and you may even receive dividends, a portion of the company's profits distributed to its shareholders. At this point, you're no longer just a customer passively consuming goods or services. You're a corporate owner with a vested interest in the company's success. Your paycheck is crucial for covering your immediate needs and paying the bills that keep your life running smoothly. But your investments are what build your future, providing a safety net, funding your dreams, and ensuring a comfortable retirement. Relying solely on your salary without investing is like trying to fill a leaky bucket. No matter how much you pour in, some of it will always slip away. Investing patches the hole, allowing you to accumulate wealth and eventually experience the joy of your money overflowing, providing you with financial freedom and security. Think of every dollar you invest as a tiny, diligent employee working tirelessly for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you sleep. They don't take breaks, they don't ask for raises, they just diligently grow your wealth, compounding your returns over time. Even a seemingly small amount like $100 is a seed that with time, patience, and the power of compounding can grow into a mighty oak, providing shade and security for years to come. It's not necessarily about the initial amount you invest. It's about taking that crucial first step and starting your investment journey. Investing is your path to financial independence, allowing you to break free from the constraints of living paycheck to paycheck. Plant that seed of investment, nurture it with consistent contributions and a long-term perspective, and watch it grow into something truly remarkable. That's the incredible power of investing, the ability to transform your financial future and achieve your dreams. So take control of your financial destiny and make your money work for you instead of the other way around. It's a beautiful thing to witness your investments flourish and provide you with the financial freedom and security you deserve. So, you got $100 and want to own a piece of Apple or Amazon? You can, thanks to fractional shares. No need to buy a whole share, just buy a slice. If a stock costs $500, your $100 gets you 0.2 shares. It's like buying a pizza slice instead of the whole pie. Fractional shares let you invest in top companies no matter your budget. You get dividends and growth just like full share owners. Platforms like Fidelity, Schwab, and Robinhood make it easy. Build a diversified portfolio, just a part of your $100, spread $20 or $25 across several companies. No more putting all your eggs in one basket. This is real ownership, real investing. Finance is finally democratized. Start small, but think big. You're in the game now. Let's talk crypto, the wild side of investing. It's a digital frontier filled with both incredible opportunities and significant risks. Understanding this landscape is key to navigating it successfully. It's risky, there's no doubt about it, but you don't have to go all in. You can dip your toes in the water without diving head first and without getting burned. With just $10 or $20, the price of a few lattes, you can buy a fraction of Bitcoin, a tiny piece of this digital gold. It's like owning a share in a potentially revolutionary technology, or Ethereum, the backbone of many decentralized applications. These are the two giants of the crypto world. Platforms like Coinbase, one of the most well-known exchanges, and Cash App, which you might already use for sending money to friends, make it simple to buy and sell crypto. This one is your speculative play, the part of your portfolio where you take calculated risks, a small bet on the future of finance. It's a chance to participate in what appears to be a major shift in how we handle money. If it takes off, like it has for many early investors, if crypto becomes widely adopted, your tiny investment could grow big, potentially offering significant returns. If it crashes, if the hype fades, you've only lost a few bucks. The downside is limited, which makes it an attractive option for some, because the upside could be unlimited. The key is proportion. How much of your overall portfolio you allocate to this high-risk, high-reward asset. Never put all your money in crypto. That's a recipe for disaster. A small slice, 5 to 10% of your portfolio, is a reasonable allocation for most people. It keeps things interesting and provides exposure to the potential upside. Stocks give you stability. They're the foundation of a well-built portfolio. Crypto gives you a shot at explosive growth. Crypto gives you a chance to significantly increase your wealth. So, diversify smartly. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Don't gamble. Invest with intention. Do your research, understand the risks, and make informed decisions. Crypto is here to stay. It's not just a passing fad, so get a taste of it without risking it all. Explore the possibilities without putting your financial future on the line. Balance is everything. A balanced portfolio is a resilient portfolio. That's how you play the future, by being informed, diversified, and intentional. Want a piece of real estate with just $100? Enter the world of REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts. REITs let you own a slice of properties like malls, apartments, and data centers. Buy shares like you would a stock. No landlord headaches. REITs pay out most of their income as dividends, giving you steady cash flow, allowing you to reinvest those dividends and watch your income snowball. Pick a sector you believe in, warehouses, hospitals, or tech, or buy a REIT ETF for instant diversification. Real estate is now accessible to everyone. Add a tangible income-producing asset to your portfolio. That's smart investing. Let technology automate it for you. Robo-advisors and auto-investment apps like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Acorns build and manage your portfolio automatically. Answer a few questions. Set your goals and let the algorithm handle the rest. Set up recurring deposits. Even $5 a week adds up. This is called dollar cost averaging. Investing regularly, rain or shine, up or down. Consistency is the key. Automation takes the emotion out of the equation and builds discipline. Some apps even invest your spare change. Investing on autopilot is perfect for beginners. Stay in the game without stress. Consistency beats timing the market. Let your money grow while you live your life. That's the power of automation. Your $100 can do even more. Buy physical silver for a tangible hedge against inflation. Unlike gold, silver is not expensive. It's the people's metal. It gives you a tangible investment, one that you can hold in your hand, one that you can put in your safe, one you can actually see. And it's promising. Of course, silver prices can drop, but they normally go up. Again, think long term. Or invest in an index fund. Own a slice of the entire S&P 500 with one single purchase. Index funds offer instant diversification and low fees. Over time, the market grows, and so does your investment. Mutual funds are another option. Pooling money for a diversified portfolio. Many have low minimums and automatic investment plans. Choose funds that match your goals, growth, dividends, or specific industries. A word of caution: watch the fees. For beginners, these are very solid choices. Diversify, keep it simple, and let your money work. The world of investing is wide open. Explore it and do your diligent research. Before you dive in, let's talk safety. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Keep rent and groceries out of the market. Do your homework before buying anything. Understand what you're investing in. Read up, even just 30 minutes. Knowledge is your armor, and it's worth mentioning again, watch out for fees. Use zero-commission brokers and low-cost funds. Even small fees add up over time. Also, don't panic when the market drops. It's normal. It's better to not even watch it. Stay calm, stay invested, and always think long-term. Avoid chasing hot tips or trends. Patience and discipline wins the game. Trust your plan and don't let emotions rule. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Protect your capital and your future. Be smart, be safe. The market rewards the informed and the patient. Don't get played. Play it smart. Stay the course. You've got the roadmap. Now it's time to go on your journey. $100 is all you need to start building wealth. Open a brokerage account, fund it, and pick your strategy. Fractional shares, REITs, index funds, metal, crypto, and automated investment. The choice is yours. Diversify. Be consistent and be patient. The most important step is to start. Investing is a habit, not a one-time event. Watch your $100 grow, and you'll want to add more. Consistency matters more than the amount. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start is right now. Your future is shaped by today's decisions. Investing is a vote of confidence in yourself. Take that first step toward financial independence. Make your money work for you. The journey is long, but every dollar counts. Get in the game, the sooner the better. Don't procrastinate. The more time you have to invest, the better. Build your future. Start today. And remember to stay lazy and let your money do all the work. Subscribe, click all the things, give me a like, and I will see you in the next one. Watch this video next. This one covers some of the same information, but if you don't want to decide what and how to invest, this one shows you a breakdown of a nice spread across industry and a good example of diversification. How to invest your first $100. Exactly, with a very specific breakdown. See you over there. Thanks for watching.